Hello everyone, welcome back to Stepping Up. Today we are diving into a crucial aspect of Java programming, input and output. Stick around for the next 10 minutes as we unravel the mystery of input output operation in Java. If you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you are ready to master Java input output, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any query, please write down in the comment below. Let's start with first what are the topic we are covering today. So today we study about the Java input stream and output streams, file input output in Java, exception handling in input output, best practices for input output operations. Let's start with first what is Java input output. Java input output is a mechanism to handle the flow of data into and out of the program. It involves use of a stream to efficiently read from or write to various data sources. So basically it is the communications, how we are doing, how we are transmitting the informations through machines. Input and output in Java is how our program interact with the external world, reading from and writing to files, console and more. So here, based on the concept of streams, we are using it. And Java brings various streams with its input output package that helps user to perform all the input output operations. And these support all types of objects, data types, characters, file, etc. to fully execute the input output operations. Some of them we have seen in file handling topic also, how to handle the files, how to read data from that, how to write into that. There is different streams we are using. Now the importance of this Java input outputs, it's reading and writing the files. How to read and write files. Network communications means how we communicate with the networks, with programs, and user input and outputs. That's all about this importance. We have different streams to use that to interact. So input stream and output stream. If we talk about input, there is read data from a source. So we are using input stream. And when we have to write the data into the files or in the destination, so for that we are using the output streams. So source we have, to read data we are using input stream. And from Java applications to get the output in the destination, we are using the output streams. So various types, and there is 3 standard or default streams that Java provide for that. System in, that is inside the program, and for out, system.out for output, and system.add for screen. So these are all about the streams that we are using. System.in, I told you that it is used to read the character from the keyboard or other standard input devices, and system.out for the standard output stream to produce the results of a program to on an output device like computer screen. So for that we are using this system.out. So there is printlf, printf is there, println to get the output lines, print to print the outputs we are using. One system.error is also there. This is used for the standard error stream that is used to output all the error data that a program might throw. So for that also we are using one stream, that is system.err on a computer screen or any other output device. So this stream is also used all the 3 above outputs like print, println or printf. For that we are using. Now next let's see the code. So here this is a file we are using input.x. In the file handling we know how to handle the file, how to create the stream, for that how we insert the data, read or write data in the file. So we are using that. Then while data, it is read and catch exceptions like that, trace we are using here. So this is used for the input stream. Next is for output. We are using file out stream, FOS, new file out streams, out.text, string data, that is we want hello Java input output, and it is right, and this is the exceptions, catch dot exception we write. So it is for the reading the data input stream, and for out getting the output to write the data we are using out stream. Next is the file input output in Java. So for that creation of that, we are following these steps. First, we create the file object, opening the stream using input or output, reading or writing the data into that, then closing the stream. Closing is very important in order to stop the memory leak. So that's all. So let's see with example. So first we create the file, new file example.txt. Then next we open the stream with the input or output, then write or this. So try file writers, new file writers, we read like this, and then exception, and then finally we close. So like that we create our file. So please go through the file handling also, so in order to clear how to take the input stream and output stream, so that we have used here to writing and routing the writing or reading the data. Next one is exception handling. This is very important. So input output operation can throw the exceptions also, that is IO exceptions. So proper exception handling is very crucial. So for that we are using try and catch. Already I have explained here, so I'm going to explain now, but I have applied here, like try this file, then catch, we are getting this like that. Here also try and then catch IO exception and e.print stack trace. So like that we use for the exception handling. So this is the example code, like try buffer reader and this file reader input.txt. Then we are checking that if there is any error, so it catch the IO exceptions or e.print stack trace. So like that we handle the exception in IO files. So best practice that we have to follow for the IO operations are, these are some tips, like use try with resource for automatically resource management. Use try catch exception handling for best practice of input output operation, buffering from the improved performance, and properly handle the exceptions. So here the try with resource we can use like the try, this is the input, and we write the code here, then catch we can use. So like that we use try with resource also for automatically resource management. Next one is the benefit of this Java input output. So flexibility in handling the various data sources, efficient handling of large data set, and robust error handlings. So these are all, means it makes the code data source flexible, efficient handling the large data set if we have, so we can efficiently handle it with the help of properly read and write with the help of streams, and robust error handlings. So that's all about all this. So we have covered input Java input output streams, output streams, how we use, what are the best practices, how we create file input outputs. So even delve into the object serialization. So you are now equipped to handle the input output operations like a pro. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it to your coding buddies, and subscribe for more Java mystery. And thanks for joining me today. Happy coding, and I will catch you in next lecture. Thank you.